Let's solve this question. Suppose we define Sn as the sum of first n natural numbers if S1, S2, S3, S4 until S100 is equal to C into S into 100, the value of C is, right? So Sn is defined as sum of first n natural numbers. We know sum of first n natural numbers is given by this expression n into n plus 1 by 2. So S1 would be how much? S1 would be, this is given that S1, S2, S3, S up till 100. The sum of this series is given as C into S100. Right? So this sum, which is S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S100 would be given by, I know the general term of this series Sn would be given by nn plus 1 by 2, and summation of this series or all these terms, the summation of all these terms would be, now first term is 1 and I have to add these terms from 1 till 100. I have to find this sum, right? If I take 1 by 2 common, so it becomes, and I am multiplying these n square, summation n square from n1 to 100 plus summation n from 1 to 100, right? I know this is sum of squares of first 100 natural numbers, which is given by n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, right? And it is sum of first n natural number, which is given by nn plus 1 by 2. I can take nn plus 1 by 2 as common, so it becomes 1 by 4 n plus 1, right? Or this, and what is left is 2n plus 1. I have taken this 2 common, so 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So it becomes n plus 1 by 4 times, this is 4 or 2 times n plus 2 by 3. And this sum is given as C into S100. Now, for this sum, I know we have to use the value of n as 100, and we have to find, and this sum is given as C into S100. S100 I already know would be 100 into 101 by 2. Also, when I put the value of n as 100 in this expression, this term get cancelled with this term, this 2 get cancelled 2 times, this 2 get cancelled this time. So I get the value of C as n plus 2 by 3, where n is how much? 100, because we have to add 100 terms. So the value of C becomes 102 by 3, which is equal to 34, right? So correct answer to this question would be option B.